my Lynn lovelies? How's everyone doing today? Welcome to my channel if you're new here, and if you're returning, welcome again, guys. So today I kind of wanted to do something different, wanted to do a intro to a cooking video, because I never really get to do an intro to my cooking videos, so I always get straight into it. But I kind of want to get up and personal with you guys a little better. So don't mind how I look. Today it's Friday, mommy mode, homeschool. You guys already know what it is. So today's Friday. I'm gonna be doing some fried chicken, some white rice, and I don't know what else, whatever come to mind. I don't know what is in the kitchen. We don't really have that many groceries. The groceries are coming in tomorrow. They're being delivered. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do. And I wanted to say welcome to the new subscribers. I have a lot of new subscribers. Hey guys, and my returning subscribers as well. You guys been through with me from coming on YouTube, going off of YouTube, going off. So I'm trying to stay consistent. It's not easy, guys, when you have little ones. It's not easy, but I'm trying to stay consistent. So anyway, let's get into this video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, comment down below what other videos you want to see from your girl. And again, thank you guys, my Lynn lovelies. That's the name I call you guys now. And let's get into this video. All right, so I have the chicken breast nice and cleaned. So here is my seasonings that I'm gonna use for my fried chicken. Just a few seasonings. I'm gonna use that sazon is good with the chicken. Black pepper, paprika, soto seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, Larry seasoning, and I'm just gonna put a little bit of minced garlic in here for flavor. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I have my bowl here for the flour. And I'm actually going to do the same thing with the flour. I'm going to put the flour in here. I'm going to season the flour, and I'll be back.
Look inside.
I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. This looks good.
Ooh, I want to eat them.
It's gonna be chicken, fried chicken.
I want to eat some.
Okay.
I want to eat some.
Okay, baby. Mommy gotta cook it first. It's not cooked.
I want some.
Okay.
I can eat it for later.
Yeah.
I need to eat it.
Mm-hmm. You need to eat it. It's gonna be very yummy.
I want to eat it.
I want you to eat it.
Eat this?
What?
I want to eat that one.
Yeah, chicken?
Yes.
Yes.
I want to eat.
Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to season my flour with everything I seasoned the chicken with. Paprika, garlic and onion powder, alright, so that's how it looks. So what we're gonna do is just mix it all up. Seasoned flour. Hold on, Pepper.
You putting that? That's the.
I like my fried chicken to be nice and crispy and nice and seasoned. So that's what we got going on here. What do you want? Alright, so here's the seasoned flour. I got the seasoned up chicken breast. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my frying pan, put the grease in the frying pan, and I'll be back. Here's the seasoned flour, nicely seasoned. Here's the chicken, nicely seasoned. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it one piece at a time because it's pretty big pieces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you know, cover it up in the flour. Wait for the grease to get hot and popping. Okay. I don't do a batter. I haven't mastered a batter yet, but I'm learning. I'm getting there. So there you go. You have like a nicely floured, seasoned piece of goodness. So I'm just waiting for the grease to actually get done heating up, and I will be back. There is your fried chicken. Look at that. Delicious. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fry the rest of the chicken and I'll be back. Alright my Lynn lovelies, this wraps up the video. I just made the kids some fried chicken. It's Friday. I just wanted to show you how the chicken came out. It came out really good, and it's just chicken breast.
Mom, what is this?
I'm gonna put it with
What is that?
I'm gonna put the chicken with some rice and make the kids some corn on the cob, and that's about it. Easy Friday. Alright guys, so thank you for watching again. I love you guys so much. Until next time, stay blessed and stay safe. I ended up making the kids this cake, Duncan Hines Cocoa Pebbles cake, and this is how it came out. It looks delicious, guys. Alright guys, I'm done. Bye.